A lot of creators are posting shorts every day and still not getting monetized. Why? Because they are using shorts the wrong way. Today, I'm going to show you the short strategy that actually fits your long-form content, helps you get subscribers who stay, and moves you closer to monetization instead of just giving you empty views. Let's get into it. Why most short strategies fail? Most people treat shorts as a separate game. They post random trending sounds, try to go viral, and hope some of those viewers will magically become long-form subscribers. That rarely works well. Shorts viewers and long-form viewers behave differently. If your shorts have nothing to do with your long-form videos, the people who find you on shorts often never watch your longer content. And that means very little watch time and weak monetization progress. So what is the right role of shorts? In 2026, shorts should play one main role: discovery and top of funnel. They are excellent at getting your face and your topic in front of new people. But the real goal is to turn those new people into viewers of your long-form videos, where the watch hours and the trust are built. Think of shorts as the trailer, your long-form videos are the movie. Let's now look at the 1:3 ratio. The system I would use is simple: one solid long-form video per week and 3 shorts per week that support it. That 1:3 ratio keeps production realistic while giving the algorithm enough shorts to push your channel into new feeds. The 3 shorts should not be random. At least 2 of them should clearly connect to the long-form video you just posted or the one you are about to post. So how do we make shorts that lead to long-form? Here's how to make shorts that actually help. First, the strongest hook or most useful tip from your long-form video and turn it into a short. Secondly, end many of your shorts with a clear verbal or text CTA. For example, I explained the full system in my longer video, link in the description, or full breakdown on the channel. Secondly, keep the energy, same topic, and same promise as your long-form content so the right people follow through. Thirdly, use the shorts description and pinned comment to point people to the full video. When done this way, shorts stop being a distraction and start becoming a growth engine for the content that actually earns watch hours. So what should we avoid? A few things I would avoid. Firstly, posting shorts that have nothing to do with your niche just because they are trending. Secondly, making shorts that feel completely different in style and quality from your long form. Thirdly, relying only on shorts and neglecting long form. Shorts alone make it much harder to hit strong watch hours. And lastly, forgetting to tell people where to go next. So now let's look at simple weekly system. Here's a clean weekly system you can start using immediately. Film and post one 10 to 12 minutes long form video. Secondly, from that video or the next one, create 3 shorts. Post the shorts on different days. And lastly, in every short, give people a reason to watch the longer video. Now do this consistently and shorts will start working for your monetization goals instead of against them. In the next video, I'm going to cover one of the biggest reasons channels get rejected for monetization: reused content and copyright issues, and how to stay completely safe. If this helped you, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.